Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name. This puts you directly into account controls. Once done, tap Subscriptions to load active and expired plans. If asked, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password so the list populates. Make sure you confirm you're using the Apple ID tied to the subscription because subscriptions are account-specific. Now pause and scan the list for the exact service name you want to cancel before you proceed to the next step. You should now tap the subscription to reveal detailed billing info and renewal dates. This explains why timing matters. Once there, review the plan type and price so you don't cancel a family-shared or differently billed item by mistake. If cancellation is allowed, you'll see a Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial button. Tap it. Confirm when prompted to stop auto-renewal. This doesn't remove past charges, it prevents future billing. Make sure the status changes to expire on the listed date. After confirming cancellation, you should see the subscription show an expiration date. Note it for access until then. If you don't see the subscription in Settings, open the App Store, tap your profile, then Subscriptions, because sometimes entries appear there instead. If the service was billed through the provider and not Apple, sign into that provider's account to cancel. If charges continue or you can't cancel, contact Apple support or the service provider promptly and have transaction dates and receipts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.